The locals in many countries consume foods, but China has one of the largest varieties of food in the world. Walk down any street market in China and you'll find the delicious delicacies, the tourist treats, and even the downright disgusting. Some of these dishes are known for the taste, some are for being unique, and others in the medicinal purposes, and can be made from animals, plants, insects, and just about anything else. The saying must be true: the Chinese eat everything with their four legs, except tables and chairs, and everything that flies, except airplanes. Number 10. Balut. Balut is a Chinese dish that was adopted by Philippines in 17th century. It is now considered a national dish of the Philippines, but it is a Chinese food, hence its inclusion on its list. According to a study in 2007, Chinese traders and migrants brought the custom of eating fertilized duck eggs to the Philippines around 17th century. Balut is a popular street food that can be found at many roadside markets. It may sound sickening to eat a partially developed duck, but this dish is considered a delicacy in many places such as China. The fertilized egg is boiled for 25 minutes and is eaten while the egg is still warm. The yolk portion is described as rich and creamy with overall mild taste, and some eggs contain bones and feathers that are edible, which make the men eating them appear more masculine. Number 9. Silkworms. Various insects are considerably a delicacy in many cultures. In China, silkworms are one of those insects, and they are enjoyed by the locals. Silkworm pupae remaining after the fibrous cocoons have been harvested are used in different ways for consumption. The flavor is like a shrimp or crab and has a chewy consistency. Silkworms can be found in local markets cooked several ways or stocked frozen and canned. Chinese-style silkworm are added to stir fry with your favorite vegetables, soy sauce, and seasonings. If you are not sold on consuming the insect in your stir fry, you can always start with the sweeter and most tourist-friendly version, chocolate-covered silkworms. Number 8. Sheep penis. If you are looking for the boost libido, the Chinese have a bizarre food that may help. Sheep penis, along with the other animal penises and testicles, are served as a remedy for the problem. A restaurant in China is dedicated to serving all types of dishes with animal genitalia such as sheep gonads on a bed of curry and steamed sheep penis. Number 7. Pai Dan. Pai Dan, also known as century egg, is a traditional Chinese food that boasts a unique color and fragrance. It is usually a duck or chicken egg that is preserved in a mixture of clay, ash, salt, and alkaline material. The egg yolk may appear yellow, dark green, or brown depending on the processing time, but the center is normally soft in all colors. Refreshing, smooth, delicious, and salty are words that are normally describe the unique food. Century eggs are also popular gifts for friends and family during the traditional Chinese Dragon Boat festival. Number 6. Bird spit soup. One of the most controversial bizarre food that Chinese eat is bird's nest soup. This famous soup is made from the Spiphilas actual nest. This small bird is found in Southeast Asia and lives in dark caves like bats. Their nests are made from their own gummy saliva produced by the glands under their tongue. The nest of saliva hardens as it is exposed to the air. If the soup is consumed regularly, it is believed to help maintain youth and promote healthy life and strong body. Number 5. Scorpions. Those looking for something crazy to snack on while walking the streets of China may find scorpions to be a tasty treat. These small scorpions are fried and served on a skewer stick. They can be found on the streets of popular cities to lure tourists into trying something local and bizarre. Since the scorpions are thin, they turn out crispy with a nice seasoning. It is believed that eating scorpions can cure the certain medical problems and can be make blood hotter in cold conditions. Number 4. Skinny tofu. One of the most popular snacks in China is skinny tofu. The smell of the popular street food can be spotted from the block away, maybe even further. The traditional dish is tofu, fermented in a mixture of milk and a vegetable, meat and fish-based brine, or a combination of these ingredients. Biting into skinny tofu feels like biting into a piece of soft cheese and tastes best when served with sauce and toppings. Number 3. Chicken testicles. KFC offers several types of chicken on menu, but you'll have to search other places in China to find chicken testicles. These juicy delicacies are said to enhance male prowess and improve a woman's skin tone. They are available in both pink and black, and their size ranges anywhere from 1 to 2 inches long. After boiling or frying the chicken testicles, they will offer a mild flavor and are best served with rice, noodles, or even both. Number 2. Fried seahorses. A seahorse is one of the cutest small marine fish found in sea, but it is also found on Chinese street as a snack. They are mostly found in soups or on kebabs and found at several street markets. You must be careful when consuming seahorse though, because they have a sharpened pieces that can get caught into the gums or teeth. Number 1. Bat soup. Under the circumstances, it would be remiss to exclude bat soup from this list, and while it is unlikely that bat eating is the cause of current Wuhan flu pandemic, it is certainly been pushed well in the spotlight as a result. Bat soup contains an entire bat placed in a soup bowl after boiling with chicken broth. The dish is allegedly rather delicious, but we are forced to conclude that it is very unappetizing to see an entire bat floating in front of us, carrying a number of human transmissible diseases, and the practice is considered unsustainable by many conservative organizations. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give us a like and also don't forget to subscribe. And not just subscribe, ring the bell so that you don't miss any video from our channel.